Just say that shit, Johnny. I got down.
Okay.
I got down. Tell me not.
Bro, you were
Tell me not.
Dip, dip, lock on, dip, and slowly settle down. Good. Yeah, you got a rhythm. You definitely have a rhythm.
Stay on the rhythm, yeah, bro, you got it.
He's a smooth operator.
I told him I'd be better than him because I play video games.
Okay.
So you know I got that keyboard hand, which is my left one,
He's got the keyboard hand.
and the mouse right hand. So
Pinche Fermes, keyboard hand.
that's what I call it, you know, WASD.
You were
Tell me not. I struggled a little bit because of my carpal tunnel.
Carpal tunnel? What the?
But I got down, bro. YouTube, how we doing? It is currently 5:45 in the morning on a lovely Saturday. I am headed over to Johnny's and we got something planned out that's pretty special. I'm not exactly sure how much of it we're going to be able to record, but we're going to be taking a TIG welding class. It's a one-on-one class. Well, technically it's a one-on-two class. It's going to just be me, myself, and Johnny. And hopefully we can learn a lot from this class today. It's over in San Diego, so I'm currently headed over to Johnny's to go ahead and pick him up. And yeah, I'm just kind of excited. I don't know too much about the class. I was just told, hey, you want to take this class with me? It's in San Diego. It's going to be this much on this day. And I said, sure. You know, I did my first like weld on a MIG welder, I believe like maybe 3 weeks ago. I kind of enjoyed it because I wasn't too good at it, so I really wanted to be able and perfect the craft, and I haven't like welded since. TIG welding seems like a bit more of a challenge, so I'm just kind of ready for it. I'm excited, and yeah, we'll see what the day has planned out for us. So while I waited for Johnny, I was watching the worst team in the Premier League play, Liverpool. They were getting destroyed. I dapped up Johnny once he finally came out, and we were on the hunt looking for what we were going to have for breakfast. I believe we chose Dunkin', and then we went back on the road. He gave me a quick little lecture on how to use Pro Demand Mitchell 1 to search up diagrams, so I listened to that for a little bit, and we just kept on driving south towards San Diego.
Right? And you just go to whatever fuck you're looking at. You enseñan todos los bolts, how they look like and stuff like that, you know, like in a parts diagram, you know.
And after driving for what seemed like an eternity, even though I wasn't driving, we finally reached our location. It was in the hillside of San Diego. It was very rural. I had my doubts. I wasn't even sure if we were at the right location or if we received the right address. Even Johnny had his doubts. You'll see in this clip right here, right before or when we pull up to the area. I'll tell you what, if I wasn't tired from 2 hours of sleep before, I am now. I'll still drop better dimes than you though. Con todo y migraine. Has he replied to you?
No.
So when it came to the class, one thing I do appreciate is that we weren't just thrown in to go ahead and drop your best dimes. Let's see how good you are mechanically with your movement and your hand-eye coordination. As you'll be able to see here in some of these clips, we were walked through the ins and outs of welding, from the basics of machines, amperage, and everything that goes into the preparation of welding.
A liquid going through the power cable, which seems kind of sketch.
Yeah, that's
but
different.
All of this is non-conductive, so you can hold on to that while it's under power. There's no problem. So when I set up my torch, I will kind of like hold it at a 45 to the table, to where the corner of the cup touches and the tip of the tungsten touches. So right there I'm at like a 45, maybe a little bit less. But I'm never welding it at that angle. I'm welding it at like 55, 60. So as I'm welding, I don't have a chance to drag the cup in the weld I just put down. Yeah. As you're moving your spacing while you're welding, your glove, I have leather gloves over there. Yeah. You know, as you get welding hot, you're going to begin to sweat, and the gloves absorb that moisture, and they get sticky, and they will prohibit you. They will drag.
Yeah.
And if you're not loose and comfortable and smooth, you'll begin to stick, and that'll affect your timing.
So one thing I'm upset about is we have not been able to find our initial messages with our instructor. We haven't been able to find his Instagram account either, and that's how we reached out to him. So if by chance anyone comes across this video and knows who he is, and if you could let us know down in the comments below, I'd appreciate it. Then I'd be able to contact him and send him this video. And with that being said, the rest of this day was really just us going ahead and trying to practice the fundamentals, the basics when it comes to TIG welding, the timing, the distance from the rod to the metal. All that was basically what was left in the course. So I'll just go ahead and show you clips of that, and that'll be the end of this video. Thank you so much for those who have gone this far, and don't forget to drop a comment, a like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Keep the angle the same, so you had a good angle. It was just when you were holding it, originally it was like down there.
Okay.
We just need to be like that. We can't be straight up and down because then we can't see the tungsten.
Oh.
Whoa!
Saucy with it, my boy.
You're even more gay than normal, bro. Yeah, ves?
That was gonna come back and we'll this thing to the table, bro. And like, how'd you do that? Profe, I'm just dropping dimes out here, bro.
Yeah, ves? What's it called?
And I'm just going to help guide you to get started, and then I'll let go. But let's touch down, hammer down, lift up, fire it up. Now there's the funnel side, and dip, and move. Dip, 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 move. Just some more forward. Grab that thing, yeah, there we go. Move, 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 move. Last one, dip, set it down. That's moving, slower. Hold it there. Lift your helmet with your thumb. There you go. Okay, so nice and hot. Even though we added filler, it's actually concave. It's below the surface. So let me put it down a bit. Alright, let's go here.
Do you mind if I bring this in a bit?
I don't mind at all. Let's get at least 2 more welds. Good. Okay. You see how shiny that one is in comparison to the last one? It's closer to the temperature range you want to be, and you're adding more filler. Also, you're further into the panel. You're not right on the edge. Part of this is because it's so sensitive on the edge. When you're welding 2 pieces of metal together, you're on the edge, but that heat is transferring into the center of the panel. There's this whole sponge of mass that's absorbing that heat. So right here, there's nowhere for it to go. So the heat wave bounces back.
Yeah.
So you're at the end of the rope with that little guy, that little filler rod.
I can finish it, right?
Okay, yeah. If you want to try that.
Yeah, ballsy.
He's on a mission. Alright, go and fire it up. Put that on the black spot. Dip, move, dip, dip, move, dip, dip, move, dip. You're doing great, man. Dip. Get closer. Dip. Left heat. There you go. Now you understand.
Yeah, that maybe not. Maybe I did need a bit longer rod.
There you go. All right, so you started rising up, and it got bigger. So think about a flashlight. Point a flashlight at the wall, and you pull it away from the wall. The cone gets bigger. So lift up and fire it up. Dip. Move. Dip. Move. Dip. Move. Dip. 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 Move. Dip. 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 Move. Dip. 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 Move. Dip. Dip. Got a little too far away. And put it down. Move it back. Hold it down nice and close. So you can lift your helmet. So you were drifting away.
Yeah.
So make sure you're down nice and tight. See that little spear, that little thing right there? So you were in the puddle, and you flicked to the left.
Gotcha.
And it froze in midair. That's what that's for. That's all that is. But that's all he's done for the last 2 years. So he's wicked good at that. You know? You want to take a metal taking class just to get better at other things.